Hello everybody, Gammator here, and I wanted to kind of show a little bit of the upgrades. Now, I know it's been a while since I did a video on this XP4 750 model, the long range one. I'm still waiting on the motor from XP, so of course I haven't been riding it, but I have been, doing some upgrades. And if you haven't seen so far what I've upgraded, check this out. I got motorcycle blinkers that are wired actually to the battery itself. Now I didn't splice anything in here at all. It was just there is a Y splitter that is right in here that splits off from the tail light itself. And there is a cord from the tail light that goes right down in here, and then I'm using this Y splitter right here. So nothing is cut or anything like that. So it's all using the regular type of pins that you would normally use for. But the tail light that does the blinkers left and right are now all off on the internal battery for the front here. And then same goes for the new headlight as well. This one is so much brighter, and I absolutely love it. I'm actually testing it out fully tonight, but last night when I turned the lights out in the house and turned this on, night and day. It's much whiter and much brighter. I'm gonna see if I can show a quick example. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my Elgato light here. Boom. And we can see if we can see a big difference. Oh, and another thing I did change, I put the controller part right over here. So instead of it being over here, the only thing I slightly moved over was the gears, and I can still access them right down here. So it's not really that much of a difference at all when it comes to how it was before. It's just probably about maybe a quarter or a little bit less than a half an inch, but shifted over that way. And of course I just touched the guardrail down there, so I'm dirty now. But yeah, I'll turn it on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn the headlights on. And also because it's on the front frame itself down here, it doesn't turn with the steering wheel. Some people like it, some people don't. I personally like this style, so that way I don't have to worry about losing light from where I'm actually going, in a manner of speaking. But that's just my personal preference. But I'll go ahead and turn this on real quick. And even in the daylight of that light coming on, you can see it. And if I turn it this way, turn it this way. Hi, Murphy. See how much brighter it is? I'm going to turn it out, and you can see right where he's at. Just a huge improvement. But I absolutely like it. I don't know what you guys think, but yeah, these are so far my little upgrades. I'm still waiting for the motor to come in, so that way I can do some extra testing for you guys for a heavier rider, for those who are still on the fence. But I still got the first one out. I think I did quite a bit in there, but I wanted to kind of put this thing in through different modes, and of course eventually do a dual battery, which I don't even have hooked up. But I'm still working off the first one, which is why I haven't hooked that one up yet, is because, I still got a few tests I kind of want to do with just the single battery. That way you can see what it does out the gate. So if those who don't care about getting another battery, you don't have to worry about it. But those who do care about it, there will be eventually a video of me folding this up in a little compact Chevy Spark car. It's like a clown car almost. So I have confidence that it will fit in there perfectly fine. But we are going to go out to a very long trail that I think is rated for about 80 miles in different directions. It's all squirrely and stuff like that. So we're going to go test that one out eventually when I get the other test I want to do done out of this one. But that one's going to be with the dual battery, because I'm not going out there without having a dual battery. But yeah, if you guys like these lights, if you want me to post some links and stuff like that I got, I'll be happy to do so. It'll be right there in the comments. Please, if you feel like it, please hit the like button. It is free. If you do want to follow my channel for those other updated videos, just hit the subscribe button, so that way it will eventually update you, letting you know that I uploaded. And then I will see you guys on the next run. Thank you.